Hi there, this is Marissa, and today I have a new Watch Me DigiScrap video. This week I will be using the Good Life July 2019 collection, which is available at Pixel Scrapper. And I'm just starting here, putting in some pocket cards, and then I will move on here to putting in the papers in the background. So we recently moved, and I lost my office, and in the course of that, I no longer have my second monitor, which I used to use. So now I'm just working on one screen, which is maybe better for you because you can see here the folder that I am dragging in the papers and the elements from. Of course, it does go by really fast, so you can't really get a great look at it, but you do get a better idea that I'm just kind of dragging the paper from the file here into Photoshop and then clipping it to the background layer. So I have all my papers layered in, and now I'm going to add in some labels. And then these pretty generic labels that I've been making for the Good Life collections work quite well for me in my kind of random weekly spreads. I don't do a lot of themed layouts, or I don't know, I guess our life doesn't really have a theme. We just, these kind of generic things I do tend to prefer them to, well, I don't know, I guess I could, with that photo I could put something about ice cream, but that's a lot of work, so we'll just try to keep it as easy as we can. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give me a thumbs up. And if you'd like to see more, please subscribe to my channel. Have a great day.